أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Page 11, lesson number 7. The Tanween and movement. Instructions. How students connect letters in practice. If they cannot connect letters correctly, revise previous lesson. Until they master the previous lesson, don't go ahead. This is one of the most important rules students and the students ought to be perfect with it.
Okay, first letter, we have first letter. You can start, please. Which letter first?
Alif.
Alif. Alif was empty. And when will come top and down side on Alif, any sign, then you will read that Hamza. I want to explain for you already this rule, right?
Yes, I remember Hamza, but I wasn't sure. I didn't want to say if I wasn't
It's
sure.
yeah, nice. And Alif, okay. Alif, and which sign top of the Alif?
Fatah.
Fatah. Alif, Fatah, A. 3 times repeat it.
Alif, Fatah, A. Alif, Fatah, A. Alif, Fatah, A.
Okay. Next one, please.
Ba.
Ba,
Ba,
Fatah,
Fatah.
Ba.
Ba.
Ba, Fatah, Ba. Which?
Ba, Fatah, Ba. Ba, Fatah, Ba. Ba, Fatah, Ba.
Next one. Dal, Dabu, Fatah, Dan.
Da, double Fatah, Dan. Da, double Fatah, Dan. Da, double
Okay.
Da,
Nice.
Fatah, Dan.
Oh.
Da, Fatah, Dan. Da, Dan.
Okay. Abadan. Abadan. You are starting from today Quranic lesson. Congratulations, mashallah. Nice. Abadan. It's Quranic letter. Hamza, Hamza fatah A, Ba fatah Ba. Aba, Dal, double fatah Dan. Abadan.
What about the alif after abadan?
Oh,
How do you
Hamza. Hamza fatah A, Ba fatah Ba. Aba, Dal, double fatah Dan. Abadan. You can start, please. 20 times repeat it with spell.
You pronounce the alif after that?
Alif fatah, it's Hamza fatah A. Okay, Alif was empty, and when will come?
No. After that, there's a fatah. There's a, not fatah. There's a alif. Do you pronounce it and say abadanna?
Abadan. Abadan. Hamza fatah A, Ba fatah Ba. Aba, Dal double fatah Dan. Abadan.
So the last alif is a silent letter?
They're silent letter. You can look in English language. Also, sometime in typing there's letter, but in reading no. For example, which spellings mosque, masjid, mosque spellings? Tell me in English.
M-O-S-Q-U-E.
After Q-U-E, it's mosque. In writing, in typing, it's mosque. You are typing the mosque, but you are reading the mosque. Why? Because last U and E word is silent. Understand? I think you understand. Mosque.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, mosque. No, mosque. Mosque. It's abadan. Okay, it's abada. Abadan. When will stop? Okay, it's listen to me. It's abadan letter. When will come this letter in Quran? In 2 different styles you will read it. What? Abadan, it's without any stopping. And abada, when will you will read stop with stop? Then abada. Abadan, abada. I explain inshallah after some lessons.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I'm gonna need
Now
more.
don't ask me. Now don't ask me because I don't like give you burden on your mind. Okay? Yeah. You are a beginner, inshallah. After so few lessons, will you understand, inshallah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Abadan, abada. It's you can read with spells first. Hamza fata a, ba fata ba, aba dal dabu fata dan, abadan. You can start, please.
Alif Fatah Hamza.
Alif, no alif. It's Hamza.
Hamza Fatah Ba Fatah Ba. Dal double Fatah Da
Dan
Dun
abadan. Abadan. Nice.
What's abadan mean? I've heard this word
Abadan.
before.
Abadan. Focus on the lesson.
What's the word mean?
Means
Does that mean first?
abadan
Forward?
means inshallah meanings of Quran we will start inshallah. Don't worry. Inshallah. Abadan inshallah I will explain for you abadan later in translation of Quran when we read. Please.
Okay. Hamza Fatah Fatah Dal double Dhamma Dun Hadun
Hamza fata aba fata ba aba dal dabu fata dan abadan. Without any spot stopping. Can't you please? Nice.
Hamza Fatah Ha Fatah Ha Dal double Dhamma Dun Ahdun.
No. Ahadun, don't touch the ahadun for now. Only your lesson first. Abadan. Please, for today. It's best for you. I suggest for you good. I am your teacher, inshallah. When you will follow me, then you collect big benefit, inshallah. I am giving you easy way. Please don't mind, okay?
Okay. Alif Fatah
Hamza Fatah.
Hamza Fatah
Okay. You can read 50 times Hamza Fatah. Only Hamza Fatah.
Hamza Fatah Hamza Fatah Hamza Fatah Hamza Fatah.
Okay, one rule,
Hamza.
simple Fatah. One rule, I am giving you one rule. Simple Fatah, simple Kasra, simple Dhamma. When you will read simple Fatah, Kasra and Dhamma, you will read that quickly. Hamza Fatah, it's wrong. Stretching is wrong. Hamza Fatah, normal speed. Hamza Fatah, is wrong and is wrong. Wrong, wrong. Which correct? Hamza fatah Hamza fatah Hamza fatah سیکھو قاعدہ حمزہ فتح please you can read.
Alif,
Hamza
Alif, Hamza fatah 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 fatah Hamza Hamza fatah 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 Hamza fatah
Hamza fatah and
Hamza fatah Hamza fatah
next one.
Hamza fatah 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 Hamza
Listen to me. Ba fatah ba
ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba ba fatah ba fatah ba 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 ba fatah ba
Okay, joined now. Ba Hamza fatah ba fatah ba ba Hamza fatah ba fatah ba ba.
Abba.
Which spell?
Abba. You can't just say Abba, you have to say Abba.
Abba wrong. Ba also wrong. Ba simple correct.
Abba.
Ba
Abba.
ba
Abba.
ba
Abba. 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 Abba.
which spell?
Abba.
Which spell? Hamza fatah ba fatah ba ba.
Abba. 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 Abba, 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 Abba.
With spell. A, ba. Hamza fatha A, ba fatha ba. A, ba.
Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha A,
Ba.
Ba,
Ba
Ba,
fatha ba.
A, Ba. Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba, A, Ba. Dal,
First is Hamza fatha A. Hamza top of the Hamza fatha A. Next one ba fatha ba. A ba. Dal double fatha then abadan.
Abadan.
With spell please.
Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba. Dal fatha double fatha.
Dal double fatha
Dal,
then
Abadan,
abadan.
Abadan.
20 times repeated lesson. For practice. It's Hamza fatha
Alif, Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba, Ba fatha A, Ba fatha Ba. Dal double fatha. Dun,
done. Double fatha.
dun,
Listen to
dun.
me.
There's no double there's no double dhamma, so it's dun.
Listen to me. Double signs pronouncing places like as a dun, din, dun in this style. Dal
Okay.
double fatha dan, dal double kasra din, dal double dhamma dun, dun, din, dun. We completed already. Before we
Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba, Dal fatha Dun, double fatha Dun, Abadan.
Nice. Good, mashallah. Good try. Few time repeat it.
Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba, Dal fatha double fatha Dun,
Done.
Abadan.
5 times without any mistake. Read after that, inshallah. Next.
Hamza fatha A, Ba fatha Ba, Dal fatha double fatha Dun, Abadan. Abadan.
Yeah, continue. 4 times more. Hamza fatha a, ba fatha ba, abadal double fatha then, abadan. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Abadan. Hamza fatha a. Ba fatha ba. Ba fatha ba. Dal double fatha dun. Abadan.
MashaAllah.
Hamza fatha a. Ba fatha ba. Dal fatha double fatha dan. Abadan.
Okay, we are starting our new lesson today. Next one, you can start. Try to start now. I think you know. You understand the rules. Next one, Hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, aha, dal double dhamma dun, ahadun. Very simple and easy. You can start. Easy and hard. New lesson. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hamza fatha a. Ha fatha a.
Ha fatha ha.
Dal fatha dam. Dal dhamma dun. Ahadun. Is that correct?
MashaAllah. Congratulations. MashaAllah. Nice. Continue. Practice required. You understand all rules, but practice.
That was correct?
Nice. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct, MashaAllah. You are reading correct. Exercise, please.
Hamza fatha a. Ha fatha a.
Ha fatha ha. Its sound is ha.
Ha fatha ha. Dal fatha dhamma.
Dal
double
dhamma dun.
dun. Ahadun. Hamza fatha a. Ha
Ha fatha ha.
Ha fatha ha. Dal dhamma dun. Dal double dun.
Nice.
Ahadun.
In this page, first two lines is hard. After that, complete Quran easy for you, because a Quranic page this.
Will you teach me what the words in the Quran mean?
Yeah, this Quranic words.
What does abadan mean?
Abadan means is still working. I give you example. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. جزاؤه جهنم خالدا جزاؤه جهنم خالدا فيها. خالدا فيها means abadan, abada. لا like abadan means in Urdu language hamesha, hamesha. Okay, no any like I will give you explanation in your text message inshallah with examples. Very good explanation I will send you about this meaning. Don't worry,
Okay.
because our lesson is not meanings. Our lesson is only practice Arabic letters.
meanings lesson, but no issue. Your question, I will give you answer of your question, inshallah. Okay, continue please. Ahadun mean Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Ahad mean one, only one.
Oh,
Allah is only one. Okay. Wahid, ahad, meanings one. Please.
okay. Hamza, alif, fa, alif, fa.
Listen to me. First you can look what is the letter. After that look top and downside sign. Then you
I'm having a hard time concentrating because I have a big problem in life.
no issue, inshallah. You are good. You are healthy now. MashaAllah. Allah bless you. Allah give you health, inshallah. I will do ruqyah on you after few hours, inshallah. Daily, inshallah. I will try. You can try also, please. Okay. First you can look which letter, and after that look letter sign. First you can look letter, after that look which sign on letter. Simple. After attach to next letter. Same as which letter, which sign, top and down. Okay. It's easy. First is which
Okay.
letter? Hamza. What sign? Fatha. Hamza, Fatha, A. Next one, which letter? Ha. And which sign? Fatha. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Which letter next? Dal. And next, Dal. Letter is Dal. And sign is double Dhamma. Dal, double Dhamma. Dun. Relax. Quickly read now. Because when any beginner will drive the car with big speed, then accident is must. Speed is not allowed for beginner.
Okay. Hamza, fatha, a. Kha, fatha, kha.
Nice.
Zal,
Dal.
zal, dal.
Oh, next. Oh, mashallah. Because don't touch the next letter. 10 times repeat before. Hadun. After that you can go to next. Because
Okay.
some weakness in this lesson. Don't read the next. Hamza fata'a, ha fataha, aha, dal double damadun, ahadun. Only 10 times without a mistake read. After that, inshallah, new lesson we will start. Don't worry. Please. Please.
Hamza, fatha, ha.
Hamza fata'a.
Hamza, fatha, a. Ha, fatha, ha. Dal, double dhamma,
Dun.
dun. Ahadun. Hamza, fatha, a. Ha, fatha, a. Ha, double dhamma, dun.
Ha.
Ahadun.
Mashallah. Nice. You are reading Quranic lesson now. I give you example if you like. If you like, then I give you example in this. Quranic Surah 112. Which surah? قل هو الله أحد. أحد. أحد mean this أحد. همزة فتح أح فتح أحد دال double فتح أحد. This أحد using in that surah. In that surah. Surah Ikhlas. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. أحد. Okay, this word of that surah, Quranic words we are reading in this page. Specially focus, please, from this page. Every letter 5 to 10 times repeat. Then you will expert. It's very easy. Please.
The same word?
Same word in Surah Ikhlas. قل هو الله أحد. It's also أحد. Please.
Okay. Hamza fataha. Ha fataha. Dal double damma dun. Ahadun.
But like in second meanings, you are reading Quran now. You are a Quranic student. You are not a Qaida student now. You are taking Quran class. You are not taking the Qaida class because this letter is Quranic letters now. From this page. Oh, kid is crying.
Laughing.
Oh, okay, please.
Alif fataha.
Alif is empty. Alif.
Hamza fataha.
Alif was Alif empty. Rule of Alif empty, but it's not empty.
I corrected myself. I said Hamza.
You were said Alif. It's Hamza with sign will come Hamza. Please.
Hamza fataha. Ha fataha. Dal double damma dun. Ahadun. Sorry if I acted arrogantly by saying I corrected myself. You're right. It's Hamza.
MashaAllah, good reading. I'm very happy about your reading. Intelligent mind student, MashaAllah.
Ahadun. Hamza fataha. Ha fataha. Dal double damma dun. Ahadun.
MashaAllah.
Hamza fataha. Ha fataha. Double damma.
Dal double the madun. First look letter after that sign.
Can we do listen tomorrow? My father's calling me.
Okay, we are ending the class now. Take care. After few hours, Ruqya time, okay?
Okay, inshallah.
Thank you. Take care. Jazakumullah. Barakallah fi. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.
Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.